Our Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and a rare model. Features also include heated seats, rear view camera, cooled seats, panorama sunroof. Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Lexus RC. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, integrated turn signal mirrors. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls,